welcome back to Cooking with Ashley. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cook hash browns in the air fryer. Now I did make a video a while back showing you how to cook hash browns in the microwave, but they did turn out a little bit soggy, and personally I think that the air fryer makes them super crispy and delicious. So when it comes to either microwave, toaster or air fryer, I think air fryer is the clear winner if you want those really crispy, delicious hash browns. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today, how to make them in the air fryer. So let's just get into the video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your hash browns. I just have this brand, but you can get any brand that you want. And these are actually triangle ones, but you can get ones that are just the regular shapes. I don't know how many different shapes there are, but these triangle ones work really great in the air fryer because of their triangle shape. So I think that they are a really great idea if you want to have hash browns in the air fryer. So just take your 2 hash browns, or as many as you want. Again, these triangle ones are really good for the air fryer. And then you're going to want to set your dial all the way to the top. Depending on what kind of air fryer you have, it might be a little bit different, but mine is 207, so that is the one that I'm going to be doing. And then you're going to set it for 10 minutes. And then you're just going to wait for it to cook. You hear that sizzle? That means that they're really nicely crispy and cooked well. So now we're going to get a plate. So just get yourself a plate. Well, they look super crispy, so now it's time to try them. They're a little bit hot, but they're super crispy and super delicious. So you could even make yourself a little brunch at home or breakfast for lunch if you wanted to. All you need to do is just first cook your eggs the way that I showed you in the air fryer, and then cook your hash browns. And you can get those little mini breakfast sausages. You just stick them in with the hash browns or cook them for the same amount of time as the hash browns. And there you have your own little brunch. You can do this even if you are disabled, and you have your own little breakfast for lunch or breakfast or brunch. And it's all at home, made by you, which I think is so cool. So that's something that you can try if you are disabled and want to try doing all of that yourself. Thank you so much for watching another video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to smash it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!